Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Lab.
You don't have to be nasty about it.
So, it is currently 36 degrees. It's freaking hot and I don't have an aircon in my house, so I do have a fan though. But yeah, it's like really freaking hot. I just came back from the shopping center because it's airconned there, so, you know, and I bought some stuff for myself mostly because I needed stuff, and I got some Christmas presents for people too. So I'm gonna do like a little mini haul of what I got. And tomorrow I'm going thrifting, finally. So this is a thrifting vlog mainly, but I just wanted to film now just so I don't have to really film like in the morning, so I can just like get ready because I need to go to my hairdresser appointment. I have a hair appointment to finally cut these bangs. Look how long they have gotten. I mean, I think they look good like this, like they're like curtain bangs now, but I like them like that, and they do get annoying, like, you know. So yeah, tomorrow going to the hairdressers, and then me and my friend are gonna go thrifting finally. But let's show you what I got at the shops. Also, this is the outfit of the day. Very basic because it's freaking hot and I want to be comfortable, and, you know, just a plain grey singlet with my heart necklace I always wear, and my bracelets I always wear, and my crystal bracelet, and my belt I always wear, and my shorts. Okay, let's get that out of your way. Wait. Okay, so I didn't get much stuff. I did go to the makeup stores because I needed to get makeup stuff. I went to Sephora and Mecca. I got one thing from Sephora. I got this contour stick because I actually don't own any proper contour, and I've been like experimenting with contour like normally here and then like my nose as well. I got this one. It's just the Sephora brand. Anyways, then I got, it's like opening Christmas presents. Ooh. That was a fail. There's not even a bin over there. My bin's right there. Bruh. But anyway, I just wanted to throw it. So I got my mascara that I always use. I got this brush because I needed a new spoolie for my eyebrows and a brush for my eyebrows. I mean, they're both for my eyebrows, but that one is to put my eyebrow, like to fill my eyebrows in, and then that's just to brush them. So that's all the makeup stuff I got, makeup products. That's all the makeup products I got. Nothing much. Oh, actually, I lied. I got makeup brushes because I needed new ones. And then I got... Why is it... Then I got my Up and Goes. I love these so much. I don't know if they're just in Australia, but they are so addictive. Like, I have toast every morning, and after my toast in the morning, I have to have one of these. Like, it's like a drug for me. It's probably the sugar in it. It is the chocolate flavor. It's the chocolate flavor, and they have strawberry as well and like vanilla, but they're horrible. These are the good ones. Like this is the only good one. Like the normal chocolate and the dairy-free chocolate. I get the dairy-free, but it still gives you all the vitamins you need. And then a Christmas present that I got my mum. I got her other stuff too, but I just wanted to get her something extra. I got her, she's really into astrology and tarot and all of that stuff. So I got her horoscopes for 2025, and it literally tells you like for every single like all the weeks in the month for your specific horoscope. Like it tells you like what that day's gonna be like. I wouldn't say, like, I do kind of believe in it. Like, I wouldn't say, I don't believe that it like completely like tells your future. Like, I don't believe anything's set in stone, but I believe it reads like energy, if that makes sense. But I don't fully understand it, but I am like interested in reading it, so I'm not like reluctant to like read about astrology and like my personal horoscope and stuff. But yeah, she's really into that and I felt like that was perfect. I actually would enjoy this as well. I might steal it and read my own. Okay, so that was the mini haul. I hope you enjoyed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Transition to tomorrow. So I got my bangs cut. She didn't style it though, so I tried to style it, but I'm really bad at styling hair. But that's the best I can do. Anyways, so I'm on my way to pick up my friend and then we're gonna go to the thrift store. It's like almost 2 p.m. But the thrift store doesn't close until later anyway. So I don't even know what we're looking for. I guess just clothes that I like in my style, because I haven't had much luck with thrifting lately. And I really want to be that person that finds good stuff, you know? But the main thing I do want to find is like, you know those like True Religion jeans, like Miss Me jeans? I'll put a picture here. Like those type of jeans but low-waisted, you know? That fit me perfectly. We're gonna manifest it. Manifest it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. See you at the store or when my friend comes. And I don't know when, but yeah. Okay, so we just reached our destination and we're gonna go thrifting. Thrifting! Yay! Bree, you're gonna be in it. Ooh, that's cute. Wait, I actually like that. Cute car.
And they've got one like this. I like this one actually. I'm getting that for myself. It's only $4.
That's from Glassons. Wait, what size? Extra small. Wait, I actually like this. Look. It's from Glassons. But I promised myself I'd get summer clothes.
That is cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
Do you have big enough boobies for it? Yes, actually you would.
Yeah, they're not that small.
I wish they had the little trolleys. I'm just waiting until someone puts a trolley back.
Yeah. Ooh. That is cute. Yeah.
Where was that other black one that you saw?
Let me sleep. I think someone painted that. Bree, I think someone painted that. Maybe? Oh, actually, no. I don't know. Is it paint?
Yeah, that's paint. Someone's actually painted that on the shirt.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my god. Why do I really want to get this? It's from Shein. Like, it's not my style, but you can see the vision, right? Like, that would be so cute if styled properly. Is it just me, or is this giving Effie vibes?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
This is giving full emo vibes, and it's like a legit brand too, but I don't know what one. Like, comment down below if you know. And I have no idea what the hell this is meant to be. Maybe a swimsuit? Guys, I found a catfish in the bottom and top. I don't listen to them that much, but like, yeah. Oh my god.
Scary.
I've seen that. Wait, I think I've seen that somewhere before.
Probably have.
Bree found this perfect dress from White Fox.
Oh, look how many dresses I found already.
Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna try it on.
I'm gonna get these.
Look how high they are.
I'm gonna get them. Bye-bye.
Couldn't find any shoes. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna try these really baggy jeans on only because I love the pockets, but I'm gonna try and make them fit. And look at that. But they're so big. Look how long they are. These for her, they're like so her style, like the
Kappa.
brands like Eshe. Guys, look at this. I won't quit, but I will swear the whole time. She really wants to. Okay. She found this dress. Yes! Slay! It's time to try these on now. I'm scared for the pants because I never really wear baggy pants, but we're gonna try them.
Ooh. Turn around, let me see the bottom. Ooh.
So I do really like them. They're very Y2K and like the pattern on the pockets and here, like it's really cute. I'm just gonna have to bring the hem up, but I really like how they sit like that. Yeah.
So got the OG tag on it too. It was $43. Getting it for $5.
A few moments later.
That's
It's
scary.
so random.
That's scary. And a big squishmallow because
So
Nana.
now we are in the toy store healing our inner childs. Looking for Hello Kitty stuff too. What are you doing? I gotta clean this mess.
I found her. Clean up a mess. Clean up a mess.
Many hours later.
Okay, so I'm home now and I'm gonna try them on for you guys because I realized I forgot to try this on. Well, I didn't forget to try it on. I forgot to show you guys when I tried it on, but it was really hot and I just wanted to get it straight off after I put it on, but it did look good. Okay, I just needed to pop in and say that I literally tried to avoid getting winter clothes. Like, I wanted to get jeans, but I was avoiding long sleeve tops and that because it's summer in Australia, like really hot. But I ended up with basically a outfit for winter. Anyways, the color doesn't really show in this lighting. Hold on. Oh, that is not better. Yeah, the color doesn't really show properly, but I mean it kind of does. It's like a gray type color, but it's from Glassons and I got it for $10. The jeans, I got them for $7. It's also brand new and has the tag. These jeans are like really good quality. I also love the color too, like the dark wash, yes. And I've been wanting jeans that have like a design like this on the back pocket, but when I when I took them off the rack, I'm like, oh my god, these are so big, but I'm like, but I want like baggy, low-rise jeans, so I thought I'd try them on and they fit perfect like how I like them. I just need to hem the bottom. So yeah, that's all I got because I didn't want to like overindulge and get things I won't wear. I got things that I will genuinely wear. Although I might wear this when it starts getting colder because it's really hot. Yeah, I'll try these on. I'll try them on together. If they don't go, I'll make outfits with each one. But yeah, transition to the try on. Okay guys, I got the top on. I really like it with the jeans as well. Wow! I do have to cover because I could not be fucked putting on a bra. But I love the jeans, like I love them so much. Look how long they are. I can just hem them, but I love it with the belt and I love this detail on the top. I've also been thinking of getting a belly piercing because I always wear like crop tops and I feel like I need jewelry there, you know what I mean? I love the outfit I thrifted and they're both really good quality. So now transition to me showing you how to hem jeans. Okay, so I lie the jeans out flat. You're gonna want to draw a line for the new hem, but I don't have my fabric chalk with me. I don't know, I need to find something, but find where you want the new hem to be and draw a line. That's the first step. Okay, to be more specific, I did put the jeans on and then fold them where I wanted on one side, then took it off, measured it, and copied on the other. Just because if you do it on both while they're on, they won't be completely even, but you can still probably still fold them on both, but then just like alter it to make sure they're even. So I measured this to be, I really hope that it's a good length. And to be truthful, I've never done this before. Like, I'm learning with you guys. It's meant to be 11, not 10 and a half. This one's 11. I'm gonna have to change that one, but after you're done that, you have to pin them together. And I got my pin cushion here. Okay, so the next step is to pin it on both sides. Make sure that the hole's still there, so you don't pin these together. You pin that together and that together on each side. And then you're gonna wanna sew the new hem here. Now I'm going to sew under the old hem, which is here. If you have an industrial sewing machine like me, it's gonna be hard to get right under there because, like, you know, so you're gonna have to try and push it under there, make sure you're not catching the other side. And you're gonna wanna do like, I don't know, you're gonna wanna do like 1 centimeter away from the bottom of the original hem. So yeah, about there. So I'm gonna do that all around and then on the other leg. Okay, so I finished sewing one leg. I'm gonna do the other one and then I'm gonna do the next step on both. Just so, because I got a cut in my room and I don't wanna move from this seat. Oh yeah, don't mind the Christmas presents. I'm literally right next to my Christmas tree. Okay, so next thing you wanna do is cut the excess. So, oh shoot, I can't even see like where I stitched. Well, anyway, you're gonna wanna cut like just below where you stitched. And that is the next step. I made a mistake, so I'm gonna tell you so you don't make that mistake. So maybe use a color you can see in contrast to the fabric, because I went all the way up accidentally. So hopefully it doesn't ruin it. But let's continue. Okay, so that is the hole. I'm gonna sew. So the next step, you sew like on the line. But I'm gonna do that first and then I'm gonna fix that hole. And you do that for both. Make sure you sew above the line. Okay, so I finished sewing them. It's not perfect, like there's definitely some flaws. Like that was the hole I accidentally did and I tried to cover it up, but yeah, I'm gonna try them on and see if they fit how I wanted. Okay, but they actually fit perfect. Wow! That is like a perfect length. Oh my god. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that. And see you in the next one. You're crazy.